Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's been a hot topic for USAA cardholders: how to verify your USAA card for Apple Pay in 2025. With Apple's ongoing updates for enhanced security and seamless integration, getting this set up is more important than ever. Whether you're a longtime user or new to the game, this step-by-step guide will have you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have the latest versions of the Apple Wallet app and the USAA mobile app installed on your iPhone. This is crucial because 2025 brings new verification protocols to combat fraud. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's that green icon with the wallet symbol, easy to spot. Once you're in, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new card. Select debit or credit card, and then choose to add your USAA card. You'll need to enter your card details manually or scan it using your camera. Now, here's where the verification magic happens. Apple will prompt you to verify the card through your USAA account. Open the USAA app, log in with your credentials, and look for the Apple Pay verification notification. If you don't see it, head to the Settings or Cards section in the USAA app and select the option to verify for Apple Pay. You might be asked to enter a one-time code sent via text or email, so keep an eye on your messages. Once verified, your card will appear in your wallet. But wait, let's cover a couple of potential hiccups. If you encounter an error, double-check that your USAA card is eligible for Apple Pay. Some older cards might need upgrading. Also, ensure your iPhone is running the latest iOS, as 2025 requirements include specific security features like Face ID or Touch ID. Pro tip: always use a secure network when adding financial info to avoid any risks. And that's it, you've successfully verified your USAA card for Apple Pay. Now you can make contactless payments faster and more securely. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.